Well, hello there. It's let's see here, the 5th of Juin. Let's go on to do some division avec. Avec means French for the word with. Remainders. How you doing for bees? Zoop. Flies are out. Oh, I tell you, the flies were out last night. So much flied out, I had to shower twice. Like, really? That's so much flied out, they'd eat me alive. How you doing? It's division with remainder morning. I'm gonna wrap this up. I feel like we're at the end. We're like at the end. We're gonna fall right off the cliff. It's the division with the remainders, avec le remainder. So this is we're gonna do. Some of you have it in your package that I sent home yesterday, and what was it? Aujourd'hui is today. À la juge, no, prochaine. I think that's French for whatever. But yeah, I have been doing a little shopping. Got a few loads of lobster coming out to Alberta. So yeah, got a few loads. Some in bottles. Bottles. Preserved lobster in a bottle. Some of you might have seen little moose meat bottled, but this is lobster. 5 lobsters per jar. So 5 lobsters per jar. Huh. It could be a division question. If I had 15, 15 bottles of lobster divided by 5, would that work? No, 15 times 5. 15 times 5. Let's have a look here. 15. So 15 times 5. So I buy 15 bottles of lobster times 5 lobsters in each. So that is, you can see that there, 5 times 5 is 25. Carry me to the 20. 5 times 50, 50, 60, 70. 70. So 750 lobsters for 15 cans. Check to see if I did that correctly. So let's do that question. Throw that one together here. So 705, and we're going to divide that by 5. Let's see if this works. See that? We'll get this one here, 5. See, 705 divided by 5. Checking it out to see if it works. So I'll use me a magic eraser. Saw a few people yesterday walking around the community. Marché. Marché is to walk around the community. Promenade is another one. Promenade is to kind of wave people. I don't know, wave at people, maybe. Kind of like a parade. See here. So we take our first number, which is 700, the 100th spot, and we can definitely divide. If we look back at our long division, it says we want to see how many times 2 will go into 6. So how many times 5 will go into 7. So 5 goes into 7 once. So here we put down our 5, if I can do that correctly. Bring down, this is like dead monkeys smell bad. So now we do our subtraction. 7 take away 5 is deuce, 2. Then we bring down our 0. And now 5 times, how many times will 5 go into 20? How many times will 5 go into 20? 5 times 4. See if I can do this. No, that doesn't look right, does it? No, it's backwards, sorry. So 5 times 4 is 20. Boom. Subtraction. Bring down my 5. As you can see, this is 3-digit division. We don't have to do 3-digit division, but it's kind of fun to see how it works. It's just adding another step. Bring down, adding another dead monkey. So you have 1 dead monkey, 2 dead monkeys, 3 dead monkeys. So you're just doing the dead monkey smell bad 3 times. So now that is a 0, and then we have how many times will Will the monkeys go in there? 145. Huh. That can't be right. It's a good question, though. 145. I did something wrong. We said we had 15. 15 lobsters, right? In each bottle. How many times did I say? We had 5 of them in each, right? What's going on here? Oh, boiling messed up again. 75, not 705. See? And see how I found my mistake? Found my mistake right there. It's only 75. 75 lobsters in total. If 5 lobsters are in each bottle, how many lobsters in total? How many lobsters in total would you get in 15? So it's 75. That makes a whole lot of sense now. So I am correct, or really correct in 15. 15. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense. We'll kind of get rid of some of this garbage. Not garbage, really. It's just a way of finding out whether you're right or not. And it's really cool. I mean, like, math, you could do math a lot. There's a lot of things that you can do math in your kitchen. Math, as far as I was doing with the gardens and this kind of thing. Hopefully tonight I get my garden in. After school, I'm going to go get more transplants, see if there's any left in Grand Prairie. I doubt it, but there is. But we'll see. 15 times 5, once again, right there. Let's redo this one. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25, right there. Regrouping that too. 5 times 1 is 5, and 2 is 7. Boom, right there. Where I got that 70 from? It's thinking 70, right? Because your 7 is in the 70 spot, but you don't need that 0. You do not need the 0. All right. And then each bottle has 1 lobster, 2 lobsters, 3 lobsters, 4 lobsters, 5 lobsters. Right? This is how you can check it too. If you want to at home, take your lobsters, times it by 5, and put your, I'll make little bottles, which really doesn't make sense because this bottle, but these are the same size. And there you go. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now you need 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 bottles of lobster. How many people are enjoying Lower the Trap, the Lobster Chronicles? Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So that's one way to do it, and that is called, what did we call that in class? I'm getting my new glasses tonight. I can't see a thing. I guess you could probably call it, I can't see it. Oh, it's up right there. Putting it into groups of, please be groups of, group 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and then so on. So that's it. Have a look at that. What else? Oh, we had a different question there. I'll just quickly do this for you if you're watching this video. Whoops. There was a question there, and there was a plus sign between the 2 brackets. Okay, so a plus sign, it was dispersal Oh no, I can't remember now. 3 times 3 and 3 times 7. So there you go, that's what it would look like. So you always do the bed mass, which is brackets, first. So you do the brackets first. So 3, so basically what this is 3, keep your brackets if you want. You don't have to get rid of them yet. So 3 times 3 is 9. And that's only one number inside, so that's done. Okay, once you have one number in the brackets, because here you had 2 numbers, and then 3 times 3 is 9, and then plus the other bracket, so 3 times 7, it looks like a plus sign. Let's redo that one here, have a look. 3 times 7, 21, 21, and now, okay, and now you got 9 plus 21, so, and then you can do it to the side, show me your work, and that's 9, that's a 0, and then we have the 30, so 30 is your answer. All right, have a look at that. It's custom, what it was. There's a couple kids that have that. I just threw it in there to help them, or challenge them. I guess that's the word, is the challenge piece. Challenge some kids. If you want the package, I can get you that too. Just have to tell me, and I can get a package or two. Other than that, have a good day. I'll be back with I was supposed to do a division with a remainder, but we're going to have a meeting here at 9 o'clock. So. My sister lives by a big lake, Lake Ontario. Choppy the last couple of days. Wind, lots of wind. We're getting lots of wind in the windy city of Grand Prairie. Windy city in the United States is Chicago, home of the Blackhawks. So yeah, the Oilers could be playing the Blackhawks in the playoffs. I don't know how that's going to work. It's be interesting times, as I always say, interesting times, learning lots, but be safe. Stay away from people as much as you can, within distance, right? Wash your hands. Wash those hands. What else? Be safe, right? We're working on, opportunities for us, and we keep moving on. If you have any suggestions, or you hear of other kids and like, oh wow, that's a really cool suggestion, why don't we do that, or whatever, let me know, and I can certainly answer the question if I can. If not, then Mr. Mustinzik will definitely answer any questions that I can't answer, and he will certainly answer any questions that you might have. All right, take care, be safe, and I will see you later. Bye for now.